Here is the detailed information about Lornoxicam. Lornoxicam Complete Drug Monograph. 1. Generic name, Lornoxicam. 2. Drug class, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, subclass oxycam derivative. Drug forms, 4 mg, 8 mg oral use, injections 8 mg in 2 milliliter ampoules IV/IM use, topical gel in some formulations. Metaphor. Brand name Zepho, most recognized globally, Lorcam, Lornoxi, Flexilor, Lornid, Lornoxicam Sandoz. Detailed information. Lornoxicam is a non-selective NSAID used for its analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antipyretic properties. It is commonly prescribed for musculoskeletal disorders, rheumatic diseases, and postoperative pain. It belongs to the oxycam class and is known for rapid onset and shorter half-life compared to other oxycams. Mechanism of action. Lornoxicam works by inhibiting cyclooxygenase, COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes. These enzymes convert arachidonic acid into prostaglandins, which mediate pain, inflammation, and fever. By blocking this pathway, Lornoxicam reduces pain, swelling, and fever. Unlike selective COX-2 inhibitors, Lornoxicam non-selectively blocks both COX-1 and COX-2, increasing the risk of gastrointestinal side effects. 4. Uses pain relief, acute and chronic, anti-inflammatory treatment in joint disorders, postoperative and dental pain, short-term treatment of musculoskeletal pain. 5. Indications: osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, low back pain, gout attacks, dental pain, postoperative inflammation and pain. 6. Contraindications: do not use Lornoxicam if the patient has hypersensitivity to Lornoxicam or other NSAIDs, peptic ulcer or history of GI bleeding, severe renal, hepatics, or heart failure, asthma or bronchospasm related to NSAIDs, pregnancy, especially third trimester, breastfeeding, known bleeding disorders or coagulopathies, concurrent use of other NSAIDs. 7. Precautions before taking this medicine. Before taking Lornoxicam, inform your healthcare provider if you have history of peptic ulcers, GI bleeding, renal or hepatic dysfunction, hypertension or heart disease, asthma, are elderly, higher risk of adverse events, taking anticoagulants, antiplatelets, or steroids, planning surgery, are pregnant or lactating. How to use: oral tablets. Take with a full glass of water after food to minimize stomach upset. Injectable form, administered intramuscularly or intravenously by a healthcare provider. Do not crush or chew the tablets unless advised. Dosing information. Adults, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, 8 to 16 milligrams per day in divided doses, e.g. 8 milligrams twice daily. Acute pain, postoperative pain, initial 8 milligrams, may repeat every 12 hours. Maximum dose, 16 milligrams per day. Injectable use, 8 milligrams IM/IV every 12 hours as needed. Used for short-term management only. Not recommended in children due to lack of safety data. 10. Misdose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if it's near the next dose. Do not double the dose. Overdose symptoms: nausea, vomiting, dizziness, headache, GI bleeding, black tarry stools, confusion, renal impairment or failure, seizures. Management: seek emergency help, supportive treatment with gastric lavage, activated charcoal, and symptomatic care. 11. When to stop or avoid taking: development of GI ulcers or bleeding, signs of allergic reactions, swelling, rash, breathing difficulty, severe kidney or liver dysfunction, elevated blood pressure or worsening cardiac symptoms, new onset asthma or bronchospasm. 12. Side effects in detail. Common side effects: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea or constipation, indigestion, dyspepsia, abdominal discomfort, dizziness, headache. Serious side effects: GI ulcers, perforation, bleeding, hepatotoxicity, jaundice, elevated liver enzymes, renal impairment, oliguria, elevated creatinine, anemia, thrombocytopenia, hypertension or edema, hypersensitivity reactions, rash, urticaria, anaphylaxis, bronchospasm, especially in asthmatics. Photosensitivity. Regular monitoring of CBC, renal, and liver functions is advised during prolonged therapy. Hat 13, vital information, take after meals with water. Avoid alcohol, which increases GI bleeding risk. Not safe during pregnancy, especially third trimester, not for long-term use unless supervised. Periodic tests, kidney, liver, CBC, and BP monitoring. 14. Drug interactions, other drugs that affect Lornoxicam. Increased risk of side effects with aspirin, other NSAIDs, GI bleeding risk, warfarin, heparin, bleeding risk, SSRIs, e.g. fluoxetine, GI bleed, corticosteroids, e.g. prednisone, ulceration risk, lithium, lithium toxicity, methotrexate toxicity, cyclosporin, tacrolimus, nephrotoxicity, diuretics and ACE inhibitors, impaired renal function, antihypertensives, decreased efficacy. Safe use requires close monitoring of renal liver function, dose adjustments in elderly or renal impairment. Feature details, Class A oxycam derivative, action, non-selective COX inhibition, uses, pain, arthritis, inflammation. Dose, 8 to 16 milligrams per day, oral 8 mg IV. Risks, GI bleeding, renal hepatic issues. Interactions, warfarin, methotrexate, SSRIs, lithium. Pregnancy, not recommended, S per third trimester. Thank you. Have a nice day.